Welcome to this training on adding user profiles to your Kurzweil 3000 web license subscription. I'm Callis, and I'm happy to walk you through this process today. There are actually two ways I can add profiles to my subscription. If I am integrated with Google Classroom, I can simply sync my Google Classroom and my Kurzweil 3000 subscription, and it will update my Kurzweil 3000 profiles for me. Please see the Google Classroom video for that information. What we're going to look at today is how to add an individual manually. And so I can do this either as a top level coordinator or I can do it as a teacher. Today I'm logged in as the top level coordinator, so that's the screens we will see, but they're actually identical to the teacher screen, so it's not a big worry. I'm going to go to the My Account tab and then down to Users. This page opens to my team, so I can check and make sure I haven't already added the user. If I have not, I just click on Everyone and Add Users. I'm going to enter the information starting with the student's last name and then first name. I can set the password here. So if the student has an existing school password that they use for everything, I can put that in. If they want a custom password that they've shared with me, or I can create something generic and they can change it however I want to manage that. Email is also required. If I enter my email, it would come to me and then I could manage that student's information. So if I have a student in a younger grade, maybe it's easier for the teacher to keep that information. But if I have a student in a higher grade or university level, I can send it directly to that student. School or org is a required field. I can do something simple just with the school name, or if I want to enter a specific teacher's name, a department, something like that, I can do that as well. External ID is an optional field, and it just helps me make sure I have the right James Smith. And so I can put in the student's ID number or any other unique identifier that I have for that student. I'm going to go ahead and leave it blank this time. If I want to be able to see the students' folders and be able to send them information through the Universal Library, I add them to my team. And they are defaulted to add student profiles because that's the most common. However, if I'm adding a teacher profile, I simply uncheck that box. I'm going to go ahead and leave it checked. I click Save. If I'm adding multiple students, I can add more than one student at a time. Say today I need to add 4 total students. So I'm going to have the one that already shows. I'm going to add 3 more. This now gives me 4 profiles to fill out. Once I'm done, I click Save. I go back to my team, and then I would see them all. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.